In terms of attachment, it's just the most important dynamic in not just in life, but in the universe, because we rotate around the sun. But why don't we fly off into space away from the sun? Because there's a gravitational force that basically keeps us close to the sun, close enough that life is sustainable.
Yeah.
And attachment is a gravitational force that pulls two bodies together for the purpose of being taken care of, or for the purpose of taking care of the other. And the mammalian infant, or even the avian infant, cannot survive unless the parent has an attachment drive to look after and care for that infant. And at the same time, the infant is drawn to connect with the parent. And so our brains are wired for attachment. The circuitry in our brain that wires us for attachment. And that instinct is absolutely essential for the survival of, and not just the survival, but also the healthy development of the mammalian child. So that's an instinct. However, instincts need to be triggered and supported by the environment.
Yeah.
And in our society, there are many forces that actually disconnect us from instincts.